He is Rafael, age 7 years, hobby play game. He is chill first, and he be born or years 2013. He will chosen me. Thank you. Dadah.
Rapunzel dulunya seorang pria dan seorang wanita yang telah lama disia-sia. Berharap untuk anak-anak. Pada panjang wanita beberapa bahwa Allah akan mengabulkan keinginannya. Orang-orang ini memiliki sebuah jendela kecil di belakang rumah mereka dari mana sebuah taman indah itu bisa dilihat, yang penuh dengan bunga yang paling indah dan rempah-rempah itu, namun yang disekeliling oleh dinding tinggi, dan tidak ada yang berani masuk ke dalam karena itu milik penyihir dan memiliki kekuatan besar dan ditakuti oleh seluruh dunia. Suatu hari wanita itu sedang berdiri di jendela dan melihat ke bawah, ke kebun, ketika dia melihat tempat tidur yang di taman dengan yang paling indah, Rapunzel. Dan itu tampak begitu sangar, segar dan hijau, yang diinginkannya itu, dan punya keinginan untuk dimakan. Keinginan ini meningkat setiap hari, dan karena itu dia tahu bahwa dia tidak bisa mendapatkan semua itu. Dia sangat merindukan diri dan tampak pucat dan menyedihkan. Kemudian suaminya terkejut dan bertanya, "Apa yang Ailid engkau sayang, istri?" Dia menjawab, "Jika saya tidak bisa mendapatkan beberapa rampion yang di kebun belakang rumah kami, maka aku akan mati." Pria yang mencintainya berpikir, lebih cepat daripada membiarkan istrimu mati. Membawa dia beberapa rampion dirimu sendiri. Biarlah biaya rampion dirimu sendiri. Engkau apakan? Di senja sore hari, dia memanjat ke atas dinding ke Garden of the Enchantress. Buru-buru menggenggam lampion dan membawanya untuk istrinya. Dia sekaligus membuat dirinya salat itu dan memakannya dengan lahap. Namun dia menyukai begitu banyak, sangat banyak, bahwa hari berikutnya ia merindukan untuk itu 3 kali lebih banyak seperti sebelumnya. Jika ia adalah untuk memiliki istirahat, suaminya harus sekali lagi turun ke taman. Oleh karena itu, di malam yang suram, dia mengecewakan dirinya lagi. Tetapi ketika dia memanjat tembok, dia sangat takut karena dia memilih Enchantress berdiri di depannya. "Bagaimana kamu berani," kata dengan ekspresi marah, "untuk turun ke kebun saya dan mencuri rampion saya seperti pencuri? Engkau harus menderita karenanya." Jawabnya, "Biarlah belas kasihan menggantikan keadilan. Saya hanya memutuskan untuk melakukan karena kebutuhan. Istri saya melihat rampion Anda dari jendela dan merasa sangat merindukan bahwa ia akan mati jika ia tidak punya beberapa untuk dimakan." Kemudian Enchantress membiarkan amarahnya melunak dan berkata kepadanya, "Jika kasusnya seperti yang Anda katakan, saya akan mengizinkan Anda untuk mengambil dengan Anda sebanyak lampion yang ada Anda layani. Hanya saya membuat satu syarat. Anda harus memberikan syarat. Anak yang akan dibawa istrimu ke dunia itu akan dirawat dengan baik, dan saya akan merawatnya seperti seorang ibu. Pria ketakutan itu menyetujui segalanya, dan ketika wanita itu dibawa ke tempat tidur, sang enhanstress segera muncul, memberikan anak itu namanya Rapunzel, dan membawanya pergi bersamanya. Rapunzel tumbuh menjadi anak yang paling cantik di bawah matahari ketika dia berusia 12 tahun. Enhanstress menutupnya, dan putra raja naik. Rapunzel truly were once a man, and a woman who had long in vines. Wished for a kilt at the length the woman hovered. That good. What about to grind hair? The seer. This purple hand a lit window at the back of their house from the way a spirit's garden, Cosebedesen, which was full of the most beautiful flower and hence it the however surrounded by a thick wall, and no one dared to go it because it belongs to an enchantress who had a great power and was degraded by all the world. One day, the woman was standing by the window and looking down at the garden, where she saw a bed which was planted with the most beautiful rampion Rapunzel, and it looked so fresh and green. The sea longed for it and had great taste. The sign to add some. This designer enchanted every day, and as she now that cloud not get any of it, she quit finished away and looked foul and miserable. The hair handsome was alerted and wicked. What aliens? The wicked survived in can get some of the rampion which a garden village or house to eat. I saw the one while loved her strokes. Sooner that light they whips the bring her some of the rampion deserve. Let in cause that why it will in the twilight of the evening. He clambered down over the wall into garden of the ancestors. Destiny clothed and body of rampion, and to it to hill whip, see at aunt's mother have insult in it, and at the cause release of welfare licked so much, so very so much. The next day, she legends for the three time as much as before. If there was to any race, her handsome must ever more descend into the garden, hit the gloom of evening tree for he lit himself down against between his clambered down the wall. He was 3 bits afraid, for he saw the askeress standing before him. Hawk is to the dark side so with angry look. To the singular intro my garden and style my rampion. Like a the sheep. The shall suffer for it. Ah, answer. He let Murray take the place of justice. I only mother of my meat, though it first next wife. My wife saw your rampion for the window, and left so longing for it the world houses orchids. She had longed so much to the girl streets alone her anger too. Be softly dates and sighed to the hymn, if the chance be asked to search. I widow allow to talk why with the most rampion as the will only I make up make one understand. They must give me the cloud kill with the whip with brain in the war. It shall be well treated, and I will call for a delict mod her. The man is terror considered to evening, and the woman was broke. To beat the ancestors afraid at the aunt, give and chill the name of Rapunzel, and lock it away with him. Rapunzel grey intro the most beautiful kill. Believe it the sun was years old. We see her 12 years old. The ancestors some to feed the tower. With lie in forest and had natured her. Such an air nor door. But equity the dame top was in little windows. When the ancestors wanted to go in, she finished self-finished carriage. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, lead down your hair to me. Rapunzel and her feet long hair. In its gold and its sea and the four ancestors she understand and fast and net her bridge stresses one of the hawks of the window of it, and the tea here and the tweety and its dawn, and the ancestors up by it. After a year or two, it came to pass the king of forest and went by bee to tower. Then he led a song, which was so commoning. Then is this style though in the center phases hand time in later to sweet reason. The king's son wanted to the climb up to hill and looking for the door of the tower, but none was in the forts he round the home, but singing at so there his heart, and the very day Alpha fought into the forest and lanterned to it answer the has what to changing village to the south and yours got it. Rapunzel lead down your hair. The Rapunzel lead down when it's up her hair, and you can up the hair and by and count my the fountains side on the next day and begins to dark and to let down Rapunzel your hair you came to Herbert the king of began to talk. The fates and the hands be sown and streets that let me him have no rest, and the winds forget to see her, the Rapunzel lost her fires, and like it, and will take harm of the handsome, and the dead look way young and handsome, the towns. He will love me more than all thines get to dust. And she sighed yes, and light her hands this she sighed. I will willingly go you away with the boat. I do not know how to get down. Break with and skin out every time and close and the wave leader with it and then just ready. I will distinguish and the take me and horse. They agreed that the time he woman by day. Nicholas the ancestors and knew nothing of this until Rapunzel said to her, tell me, thou gift hell, how it happens, and you saw so much, and having for to down of the young king's son, and which in a moment the weekend child creates the ancestors. Window is here stay sail, and call a supported the form all the world, and yet they has to in her anger. She Rapunzel beautiful steps, and they which wrote her hands, every to fire, and Rick sniff, and cut off, and the lovely brides lay on the grass, and she was to pertence and the love for Rapunzel into the cell where and had to live the great and misery. Of the same day, at first they seek out Rapunzel, and Enchantress in love evening fancies the brains of the sun had shut off of the lock and window, and see the king son come and cried, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. So let the hair down. The king son answers that, but it did fit and Rapunzel about do unsecret gaze at him, at the wicked and venomous luck. Aha, said great most kingly. The was fate say the last day, but the beautiful bear stood luggers, singing in just got in under scratch of the ears as well. Rapunzel is lost to thee, and your will never hear more. The king's son and will perceive the fine and the half sweet fires and down for the tower. And a servant twist in life and will come in sorrow the fall pieces it be his heirs. The which can quit blend of the forces into nothing but rots and berries, and doing nothing but lemon and ever lost of the dares with. There was romance and misery for those some years, and the lads come to understand which were Rapunzel, with the twin to the west and same beards, and boy and girl, and with the skull he beards are post and source familiar, and called the realm Rapunzel can him and fall on next and the wave to the tall wintered his ears and three grey cream again, and he crowned and face as before he and the kingdom and was joyfully received, and they lived for a long after happy and contented.